Hi,
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 hi.
sir. Hi,
Hi,
sir.
Nash.
Okay, so I am Nash, sir. By the way, first and foremost, I would like to thank you for allowing me to interview you today
Okay.
about one of our courses requirements.
Uh,
So, in this interview, you are allowed to speak or to respond in any language that you prefer.
mm,
Cebuano, Visayan, English, or Filipino, as much as you are comfortable.
mm,
So I would just have to ask you two questions, sir, regarding your business or your photo studio.
mm.
The first question is, what culture do you have or do you practice in this studio or in this business? Just in general, or you would like to tackle specific ones, like the attitude when you are working. What culture do you
Yeah,
have?
kuan. So first of all, my name is Don Mark. No, I'm the owner and proprietor of Aftershoot Photo and Video Studio. So we are a multimedia studio and we cater to photo shoots, productions. We also have um, event like photo booths and 360 video booth. So we are a multimedia studio. So as a creative studio, with regards to company culture, um, we're not really the very serious type. As much as possible, we want to have a very inclusive
Yeah, friendly
workspace.
environment.
Yes, and an open environment wherein you can talk. Uh, my staffs, all of my staffs know that. My OJTs, my interns, they know that they can talk to me. So it's not like they look up to me as their boss. It's more of a colleague, and I like it that way because it's more open and it fosters the creative space that I think a creative studio would thrive on.
Yeah.
Especially with the kind of clients that we have, the demanding schedules, and also the deadlines.
Mm-mm. That's actually great, sir, allowing your employees to feel like you're not the employer, but just one of them. And that goes to our second question, or that leads to our second question. If you think, sir, that that culture you're practicing is a friendly one, do you
Mm.
think cultures can be modified or changed depending on the situation that you're required to be serious on this part?
Yes, yes, definitely. My staffs, my colleagues, they know, when it's time to be serious. They also know when it's time to just be themselves.
Mm-mm.
So I always keep an open door. I always tell them, if you need anything, let me know. If you think of anything that you would like to say to me, just let me know. And that's it. Going back, to your question, it all goes back to the boss. And my staffs know that with the boss, it all, the culture starts there.
Mm-mm.
And that's just it. I'm the boss, but I treat them as just my colleagues. And that fosters the kind of
Mm-mm.
a family
Family.
level of ano ba,
Yeah,
understanding each
understand.
other, the needs, and also um, the needs of each other.
Mm.
Ano lang.
Okay, so that's basically it. Oh, thank you so much,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Thank
It's
you.
nice
Thank you for
meeting
this
you.
interview.
Thank you,
Alright.
sir.